Sophie, my friend, we had our start the day you came home, stole my heart. Your fur was so soft, with gentle grace. Your first little kiss lit up my face. Tears in my eyes, I felt so blessed. In that moment, I knew you were the best. From day one, there was no doubt. You filled my life, wiped my worries out. Sophie, you were a damn good dog, always wagging that tail through the fog. So sweet, so loving, never let me go. Every time you saw me, your joy would show. Loyal as the stars that shine up above. In a world so big, you were my love. Remember those days we'd roam the park, chasing the leaves, running after larks. Your laughter in barks echoed through the air. Adventure called, and you were always there. Through summer heat and winter's chill, with you by my side, I felt such thrill. A lover, a healer, you mended my soul. In every wag you made me whole. Sophie, you were a damn good dog, always wagging that tail through the fog. So sweet, so loving, never let me go. Every time you saw me, your joy would show. Loyal as the stars that shine up above. In a world so big, you were my love. Who could believe how much love we shared? In silence you understood, you always cared. With a sense of humor and a heart so true, every moment was magic, just me and you. Family gathered, your warmth spread wide. You were the glue, our loyal guide. Now the days feel heavy, the nights are long, missing your presence, oh how it feels wrong. I find your toys tucked under the bed, remembering the laughter, the tears we shed. I close my eyes, see your face so bright. In my heart forever, my shining light. Sophie, you were a damn good dog, always wagging that tail through the fog. So sweet, so loving, never let me go. Every time you saw me, your joy would show. Loyal as the stars that shine up above. In a world so big, you were my love. So here's my song, my heartfelt goodbye to a friend like you who flew so high. Sophie, my angel, in memories you'll stay. A damn good dog, forever you'll play.